On today's video, we're making the Moist Maker.
What?
And yeah, you heard me right, the Moist Maker. Literally, we have been talking about shooting this video for how many years? 4 or 5 years, making the Moist Maker. We all know this sandwich from Friends. If you don't know what it is, this is leftover Thanksgiving dinner. And you just want to take a sandwich to work, or you just want to grab something quick, nice and easy. This is what we're doing today. So without any further ado, let's get to cooking. So what's in the Moist Maker? Well, we have lettuce, tomato, bread, obviously turkey, leftover stuffing, leftover cranberry sauce, gravy. We're going to use a little bit of Dirty Bird hot, mayo, Japanese mayo, and just a touch of sweet apple chipotle, and see what happens. But first, I'm not eating cold gravy, so I'm going to heat it up a little bit. So let's get over to the stove and heat up the gravy. All right, so we're going to heat up our saucepan, get our gravy in there. It's gelled a little bit. But that's what gravy does when it sits in the fridge overnight. And just like that, warm gravy. All right, so for this sandwich,
Hold on. We gotta get that.
oh, sorry.
Sorry. The Flackle Tower. That's exactly what it is. Look at that.
So here we go. What the? Mayo. Both sides. If you've never tried this mayo, get it. Do yourself a favor. A little bit of lettuce. Tomato. Yeah, almost forgot the tomato. Turkey. Just a little bit right now. I'm gonna season mine with a little bit of Dirty Bird hot. Stuffing. It's kind of crumbly the next day. Here we go, I'll push it, pat it down. Pack it in. Make sure to pack it in there. And now we dunk. And this, my friends, is what makes it the Moist Maker. Oh man, I can't believe we're doing this. That's okay. A little bit more turkey. This is gonna be a massive sandwich. Now the cranberry. And then a little bit of sweet apple chipotle. Just a little bit. And now we crown her. Holy, this thing is massive. And that, my friends, is the Moist Maker. This is a massive sandwich. It's gonna go everywhere. But, man, which side? Which side? All right, here we go. That's actually pretty good. And I ain't even gonna lie. This is a perfect use of leftovers. I probably wouldn't make it that big, but this sandwich will dang sure fill you up. And that, my friends, is how you make the Kosmos Moist Maker. I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe, it's going to be down in the description, or head on over to kosmosq.com. Print it out, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Tell me when you're ready. Can you hear me? Is this thing still working?
Yeah.
Copy that, standing by. Look at Angela, she's already loaded up. Calm down. These fuckers work, man.